For over a decade, the Centurion RS Series has been the undisputed best performing surfboat in the world. That, however, changes today. Introducing the 2027 Centurion RS Series boats, and the upgrades go way beyond the Surfwave. What's up guys, this is Mitch from BoardCo. Today I'm going to be walking you through the new 2027 Centurion RS Series. We're going to walk through all of the new innovative features on this boat, including the new hull design, the new performance characteristics and what it actually does to the Surfwave, all of the new interior features on this boat that are pretty amazing, and the most impressive dash system that has ever been put into a surfboat. Let's start at the top and walk through all of the things that make the RS Series special and really takes things to the next level. The RS Series sits above the RI Series in Centurion's lineup, taking all of the different features and things that made the RI Series incredible and elevating them to the next level with the RS. Not just the performance of the boat, but everything from the technology to all of the interior creature comforts and innovations throughout. All of these three boats are built on the same platform of the new Opti-V 3.0 hull, an entirely new hull design from Centurion that not only looks incredible on the exterior of the boat, but also delivers incredible new surf performance and an unmatched driving experience. It takes everything amazing about the Opti-V 2.0 hull, why it's the best performing surf hull in the world, and elevates it to the next level. This allows the RS Series to produce an even better surf wave than the RI, even though it's actually packing less ballast than the RI Series did. This new hull design allows the boat to sit deeper in the water, displace more water out the backside, and give you more storage space and interior room on the inside of the boat, which is a pretty amazing feature. Beyond just the surf performance, the Opti-V 3.0 actually changes something that most people would never expect: the rough water ride. Centurion boats have been renowned as having the best performing rough water ride of any boat in the industry, bar none, and have done so for many years. The Opti-V 3.0 hull takes that to an entirely new level, with a rough water ride that is going to be unparalleled compared to any other boat out there, and putting the RS on the same pedestal as other larger cruiser boats for driving through rough water conditions. This means that when you're driving through big white caps in really rough water and in heavy winds, you can cut through them without even feeling them as you're driving. It's truly something you have to experience to believe. So now I've told you what the Opti-V 3.0 hull can do, let's head to the back of the boat and I'm gonna show you how it actually works. Now that we're at the back of the boat, I can show you the characteristics of the new Opti-V 3.0 hull. You see this has a deep 20-degree angle deadrise, similar to the previous Opti-V 2.0 hull. This means that there's a lot of V here at the back of the boat, allowing it to slice through rough water, as well as naturally part a surf wave to one side or the other. The Opti-V 3.0 hull modifies and changes the way the boat drives through the water, allowing it to sit a bit deeper in the water than previous hull generations. It also allows the boat to be more balanced, meaning that it's not going to be as weight sensitive side to side. In fact, much less weight sensitive than most other boats out there on the market. And it's going to be less likely to have the surf wave be impacted when you're in rough water conditions. Speaking of rough water conditions, this hull is going to have the best rough water ride of not just any boat Centurion has built, but any surf boat ever produced by a wide margin. The reason for this is not just due to the hull design itself, but actually to the interior guts of the RS Series. The RS Series features a new stringer grid system. Think of it as the bones that sit inside the boat and give it structure. That is significantly heavier duty and is going to be much more rigid than previous designs. This isn't just new for Centurion, it's new for surf boats in general, and is going to allow the hull to not flex or move as it's running through rough water. Additionally, here at the back of the boat, you can see a bunch of the other features that come standard on the RS Series. You have the amazing Centurion surge thruster system. This thruster produces 40% more thrust than other thruster systems that are available out on the market, meaning that you can move the boat side to side, even a boat as big, heavy, and deep as the RS Series with ease. You also have all of these different features with lighting and different accessories here at the back of the boat, including cup holders in the swim platform and this brand new transom design for the RS that gives you a smooth cascading walkway as well as stadium seating here at the back end of the boat. It's a really great place to hang out and gives you a nice smooth walkway as you move into the interior of the boat. Here at the transfer of the boat, there's a lot of really cool features on the RS. You have storage in 3 different storage locations here at the back end of the boat. You've got access for rope storage here at the back end that can hold dock lines, surf ropes, all of those different things. You've also got some great features such as 4 different cup holders here at the back, 2 in the walkway, 2 here on the swim platform. You've also got a pop-up pylon that's great for pulling skiers as well as pulling tubes, and a built-in air compressor for inflating those tubes right here at the back of the boat. Speaking of walkway, the RS Series features this brand new cascading walkway, meaning that you can step from the back into the inside of the boat via 3 steps going up and 2 steps going down in a smooth transom walkway that doesn't involve any big steps up or big steps down, which is really, really nice. Also accessible from the back here are these additional storage lockers. You have ones that sit here on the sides. They're accessible via at the front or the back, which is a simple push button where it pops up and accesses. We got 4 life jackets in here right now. You can also fit vests over there on the other side. You also have dedicated bumper storage. That means you can flip this open and you have these dedicated bumper storage for your bump cleats that can pull out and just snap right here into the side of the boat quickly and easily, just like that. These are dedicated spots specifically for these bumpers, which means it frees up all of your storage space underneath your observer locker and under your side seats that you can put other items and not have to worry about dock lines, ropes, anything of that nature. You've got this dedicated storage that you simply snap out and drop right down into its own dedicated storage pocket right here. Also right here in the same ram box on the back side, you can put dock lines, you can put other ropes, you can put any other accessories, even things like shoes if you want to be able to have them quickly and easily accessible from any point throughout the day when you're getting in and out of the boat. One of the things you notice in the RS Series is just how luxurious and amazing it is on the interior. You have incredible new detailed contours on the inside of the boat. You have this incredible double helix stitching that looks super nice and luxurious. Everything from the fiberglass inset panels to the accent lighting to even the new backlit billet grab handles are just a step above what you've come to expect in most surf boats. Almost all of the interior is wrapped in one of my new favorite features in the RS Series, and that is the amazing new Colorado Cool vinyl. This new vinyl is a textured vinyl that brings out some rich, deep grains and some amazing colors on the interior of the boat. It adds a new level of refinement and luxury to the RS Series. And best of all, it doesn't get very hot in the sun, which is an added bonus. One of the coolest new features on the RS line is the new sliding rear view bench seat. This seat simply grabs and lifts up and slides up and into the interior of the boat. You can move it into this position. You can also slide it forward and move it all throughout the cockpit of the boat, including all the way forward right here. To open it up, you just simply flip it up and you've got a rear facing bench seat that is really nice and is a high seat back, meaning it's extra comfortable. That right there is a theme in the RS, which is high seat backs that are extremely comfortable and ergonomic. This high comfortable lean back here is a representation of the entire interior on the RS, which has been sculpted and refined for maximum comfort. All of the different aspects of the boat are designed to make it so that it's comfortable while you're sitting in it, putting lumbar support further down on the cushions instead of up high on your upper back. All of the cushions have also been contoured and shaped to increase the overall area inside of the boat, meaning that whether you're in a boat such as this RS265 or in the RS230, you have a boat that feels a full foot larger than it actually is because of the depth of the boat and because of how well thought out the interior layout is. Every boat in the RS line comes equipped with the amazing Predator Power Tower. This is by far the best tower in the industry that folds down faster, gives better articulation, and allows you to tow a rider from any height position. This tower comes standard on the RS Series and is equipped with the amazing new Wet Sounds Warrior sound system. This system delivers more sound, more volume, and more bass than not just any system Centurion has ever done, but more than basically any custom audio system that I have heard. This system puts most custom rigs to complete shame and sounds absolutely incredible, whether you're inside the boat or 30 feet behind it surfing the best surf wave in the world. Further up here in the cockpit, you've got leanbacks on both sides with a flip-up port side rear-facing seat, along with a rear-facing seat built in right here with a built-in trash can that you can access quickly by just sliding this cushion up. You also have another trash can and a built-in cooler sitting here in the floor of the boat. In the RS245 and 265, you also have a second trash can that sits here in the floor, along with a removable cooler that is really quick and easy to access. The RS230 also has that built-in cooler in the floor, just not enough room for a second trash can. Over here on the port side observer area, you've got a few really cool things going on. You've got this new shadow rail bench seating here on the base for the RS245 and 265. This allows you two different things. Number one, additional ventilation going to the electronics, preventing things from getting warmer. But the really cool thing about this is it also provides a really great port for the additional subwoofer that sits over here on this side, enhancing that audio system even further. Speaking of the observer locker, this is one of my favorite aspects of the boat, and that is the absolutely massive observer storage with the board file system right here on the side. As you can see, we've got 5 surfboards in this locker right now, and you've got room for lots of other stuff. We could throw in a tube, we could throw in all kinds of stuff in there if you wanted to. You can use this area for board storage. You can also use it to transport your boards to the lake, then throw them up in the racks and in the bimini top once you get there, and use this for anything you could possibly imagine. Tubes, life jackets, skis, anything you want can fit in here. This storage locker is possibly the largest storage locker available on any towboat out there on the market, and is absolutely huge and a great place for storing all of those additional items. Speaking of large storage compartments, you also have extra deep storage compartments underneath the sides of the RS series. These can be accessed by just flipping up your seats right here. They're on self-supporting hinges, and you've got these deep gator step line storage compartments. These storage lockers are a great thing for holding skis, life jackets, towels, anything that you want to put, and they run on both sides of the boat underneath all of the seating on the interior. Next up, we have my favorite feature of the RS outside of the Surfwave, and that is the new MiraView stacked dash system. This dash is absolutely incredible and is an entirely new evolution in what dash systems can be for not just Centurion, but towboats in general. This features gigantic 24-inch displays that are sitting one on top of another, giving you maximum control over every single aspect of your boat. You have the ability to pull up all of your controls on either side on the lower dash, meaning that you can pull up your ballast controls here on the left side, or you can pull up your surf controls. You could do the same thing over here on the right. This gives you full control over all of the different menus and customization. You can also save the layout that you want, so it pulls it up exactly the same every single time. Up here in the top, you have stereo controls, cameras, and navigation systems. You have the ability to have as many as 6 different screens up at the same time on the upper level. If you want to go from, let's say, 3 screens on the left side to 2, just simply grab and drag and it opens it up. You can go to a single screen by just opening it like that. You have the ability to control and manipulate your screens any way that you want, making it feel more like controlling an iPad than controlling a boat. Speaking of controlling an iPad, this is the first time that automotive grade technologies has been brought into the marine industry, meaning that you have instantaneous controls. You have the ability to grab and swipe and move things in a way that we haven't seen on screen before. The resolution, colors, depth, and overall aesthetics of the screens are probably 3 steps beyond anything that I have ever seen in a towboat, and it really brings things to the next level. One of the greatest aspects of this is how it ties into the other electronics in the boat. It ties into the new SunnyView 360 camera system that gives you full 360 view of everything going on around the boat, stitching into a full 360 camera view, letting you see the sides, the back, the front, and everything all around you. So you can see things like swimmers on the side of the boat that you can't normally see with your eyes. This stitches together 5 different cameras, giving you the appearance and structure of what you normally expect in your brand new trucks, and it brings it here into your boat. All this amazing new technology is also backed up with an all-new automotive-grade wiring system that runs through the entire RS series. This is the first time that Centurion has brought an automotive-grade wiring system into their boats, increasing the reliability as well as the quality of all of the connections and allowing you to power this amazing new dash system and deliver the incredible responsiveness and tactile features that it provides. You might be wondering, how good is the quality of the camera in this new system? Well, the answer is really good. In fact, so good that you're actually seeing me on the camera right now. The new observer seat is not only super deep and comfortable, you also have this amazing new third screen that sits here on the right side. You can control things from your cameras, as you can see here, to pulling up menus and seeing navigation and maps of exactly where you're located, control your stereo, all of the different lighting and other features throughout the boat. Go on the best dash system in the world. There's also a lot of really awesome new features in this driver's helm. You've got the most comfortable driver's seat that I've ever seen, the Cobra Racing driver's seat, that is on a new powered mechanism that can telescope up and down, slide forward and back via power, and it's just super nice to be able to make it so that you can see up and over. That is one other great thing about this boat, is that you've got a much clearer line of sight due to the new frameless windshield. This frameless windshield allows you to have a clearer view going over the front of the boat while you're driving with a surfer, and not to mention, it's got a friction hinge system so that you can flip it up, stop it, and it will hold right there in that position. It makes it just really nice and easy for going in and out of the front of the boat and having it be extra nice. Also, a great thing in regards to the windshield is this new ventilation system. You've actually got two vents, one smaller vent right here that opens up, and this larger window vent that opens and provides major airflow going into the driver on really hot days like today when I was out on the wall. A couple of nice things to round it out. You've got a valuables cubby right here with a magnetic closure where you can hold things like wallet, keys, phones, any of those different items right there. You've also got a quick access volume knob right here, which controls your volume, allowing you to quick turn up and turn down. This new backlit throttle that allows you to fully control your thruster system right here from a toggle switch on your thumb. And you have controls for the Predator power tower right here on the right side, make it so that you can bring your shade down lower on those hot sunny days to make it so you don't have the sun right in your eyes exactly where you don't want it. One of the last great features to mention about this dash system is the new Garmin integration. This means that you not only have the ability to have an incredible dash and beautiful maps, but these maps are actually true street view maps that you can see detailed topography and other things that you normally couldn't see on other surf boats. It also has built-in capability to be able to accept a SIM card, giving you access for Wi-Fi and the ability to download software updates over the air, meaning that you can be out on the lake and update your mapping while you're out on the water just by pressing a button. Up here in the bow of the RS, there's a bunch of new features and great things to talk about. First thing, you have the new bow lean block. This is a removable cushion similar to what you've seen in other boats, but it has this great new feature with a built-in wind block that flips up, locks in, and becomes a forward-facing seat back to make it so you can have even more people sitting facing forward. You've got flip-down armrests right here in the bow that are extra nice and comfortable, so you can have everybody chilling and hanging out here in the front facing forward as you're driving down the lake. One other great feature that I absolutely love is, in addition to having your bumper storage compartments right there at the back of the boat, you also have some bumper storage pockets right here at the front. You simply lift up this hatch and you have a bumper that you can pull right out and then plug in the side of the boat quickly and easily. You're no longer needing to rummage through storage compartments, finding where your bumpers are at or accessing your lines. You just simply reach into the compartment, pull it out, and plug it right in the side, right next to where the bumper storage is located. As you can see, the RS Series redefines what Centurion brings to the table when it comes to luxury performance in the surf boat category. If you want to get more information on the RS Series and all the different features on the boat, go to boardco.com, where we have all kinds of detailed information and a full selection of the RS Series boats that are available in multiple locations across the country. You're also going to want to check out part 2 to this, where we show the on-water performance of the Centurion RS Series, including the best surf wave that we have ever seen. Go over here and check it out.